Now, KMTC, which runs 71 institutions across the country, says it receives over 30,000 annual applications, necessitating an increase in the number of available facilities. Speaking during a tour of KMTC Health Seer, Susan Nakumicha says she will support the institution and urge the board of KMTC to properly equip all its institutions to enable all graduates benefit from the program.
You have just come from the skills lab, that you can be able, somebody in a remote part of the country, a student maybe in Lodwar, can be able to see in real time the kind of training that is happening at this campus. And I urge you to be able to scale this up to the former provincial hostels and cascade it downwards to all other institutions under your mandate.
I'm aware that now you have a course in community health assistance, and those are the people who are going to interact directly with the community and therefore assist us in delivering primary health care, and hopefully then that we are able to ease the stress that is on the other upper levels and facilities of delivering health.
Our graduates are now linked to training and career opportunities both in the country